Hey guys, finally Nothing has released the open beta 2 of its Nothing OS 2.5 for the Nothing Phone 2. The new OS version is built on Android 14 and bringing improvement to the grip interface along with the other improvement. The grip process integration support Google Calendar and can now count down. The grip timer can be opened through the lock screen and support time preset, so you can set any duration you want. There also a new grip animation when you use NFC. Other improvements include more options for the double tap press on the power button action, predictive back support all Nothing app, improved 3-finger swipe reliability, upgrade status bars icon as well as the user general bugs fixed and performance improvement. And this is the camera app interface after Android 14 upgrade, and this is the new notification panel and also come with some little bit changes. By the way, if you have a Nothing Phone 2 and you want to use Nothing OS 2.5, so visit Nothing's community page to download the beta app. This will help you get it installed on your phone. And remember, beta software is not stable and you could be face bugs and other problems. Use it. Nothing is reportedly aiming to release Nothing OS 2.5 before end of this year. So that's all about Nothing OS 2.5. If you found this video informative, make sure you hit the like button and also subscribe my channel for more content like this as always. Thanks for watching and I will be catching the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.